Hello everyone. We are going to discuss about accountancy 12 standard. My name is Ranu Rai, and we are going to continue with the chapter of fundamental of partnership. Okay, so before starting the topic, let us discuss some basic things related to the chapter, which is most important to be noted down, like the provision in the absence of partnership deed. Okay, so here I would like to say sorry because I have not much described about partnership deed in this whole PDF, but I would like to say that partnership deed is a type of written document done between the partners to just clarify all the things before starting the business, like the sharing ratio, their interest on capital or drawings, or you can say many other things, like for example, if there are two person and they want to do a business, so to give a legal birth they should register their company. So in partnership, registration is not compulsory, that is the another thing, but if you register you can get many opportunities. In the same way, the partnership deed is also not compulsory, but if you make a partnership deed, then according to a legal rule, you can get certain benefit at the time of any certain disputes between the partners. Okay, so that's why partnership deed is very compulsory, and it can be written or oral, but most probably it is followed in written only. Okay, so there are some provision in the absence of partnership deed. अगर समझो जो partners हैं उन्होंने अगर deed नहीं बनाया तो क्या होगा, ऐसे केसेस में जो सर्टेन पॉइंट्स होते हैं, सो उस केस में क्या किया जाता है, जैसे कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल क्या है, एक ऐसा अमाउंट जो कि फर्म एक पार्टनर को पे करती है ऑन द अमाउंट दे हैव इन्वेस्टेड. ओके, सो इफ देयर इज अ डीड they will provide, they will mention in the deed, but if the deed is not given or it is not made, ठीक है, at the starting time, so they are not responsible to provide the interest on capital to the partner until certain treatment are said to be done, which we will discuss in the next slide. Okay, so in this case, the provisions, what are the provisions in the absence of partnership deed related to this certain terms, like interest on capital नहीं दिया जाएगा, interest on drawing not charged. What is interest on drawing? The amount which is withdrawn by the partner for their personal use from the amount of companies firm. ठीक है, so कहीं ना तो कंपनी तो बोलेगी ना कि यू नीड टू पे एन इंटरेस्ट ऑन दिस अमाउंट, बिकॉज दिस अमाउंट कैन बी यूटिलाइज्ड बाय द फर्म फॉर द अदर रीजन, बट तुमने अपने लिए इस्तेमाल कर लिया, ठीक है, खुद के लिए, ना कि कंपनी के लिए, सो आपको इसके ऊपर क्या पे करना पड़ेगा, ब्याज. ठीक है, सो जब पार्टनरशिप डीड नहीं रहता तो उस केस में भी इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग इज नॉट चार्ज्ड. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट, देयर इज सैलरी और एनी टाइप ऑफ कमीशन. मतलब कल को समझो कोई पार्टनर बोल रहा है कि यार तुमने तो मुझसे बोला था कि मैं सैलरी दूंगा, कमीशन दूंगा अगर तुम ज़्यादा काम करोगे, ठीक है, बट डीड तो नहीं है ना, बोला था दैट इज़ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट डीड तो बना ही नहीं है. तो जब डीड नहीं बना है, सो इन दैट केस ऑल्सो एनी टाइप ऑफ सैलरी और कमीशन टू अ पार्टनर, if it is given in question, we are not required to mention in appropriation side, or we are not required to pay to the partner. Okay, so if partnership deed is silent or is absent, so in that case these certain things are not paid or not charged by the company. Like the last point is what, PSR, profit sharing ratio. Okay, so if deed is not there, so what we do, the ratio, we keep the ratio equal. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल रमेश ने 5 लाख लगाया, किसी ने 2 लाख लगाया, किसी ने 4 लाख लगाया. ओके, सो rather than their capital contribution, we will consider the equal ratio. Why? Because the partnership deed is silent. ओके, सो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है फंडामेंटल चैप्टर का, बिकॉज इसके ही बेस पे बहुत सारे सम्स आएंगे जो कि आपको समझ के करना है. सो कभी भी आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ोगे, इफ़ in that question the deed is mentioned, then okay, go with it, and if deed is not mentioned, so please ignore the certain points, like interest on capital will not be provided, means we don't have to mention in appropriation debit side. Interest on drawing will be not charged, means we have to not show in the appropriation credit side. Salary or commission will not be provided to the partners, means we have to not show in appropriation side. And the last is what? PSR. So PSR will be done equally. PSR will be done equally. Okay, so these are done in the absence of partnership deed.